Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix we couldn't sign you into Xbox Live Windows, right? Error code 0x89235107. Alright, so first fix for that, go ahead and go to your date and time right here, right click on it and click on adjust date and time. So make sure that both set times are automatically and set time automatically are enabled, okay? Or just basically copy my settings right here. And also the correct region is selected as well. And then once that's done, click on sync now. Wait for it, close this one, and then after that, just go ahead and check if it helps. If that will work, gotta find the Xbox app right here. Go ahead over to the right panel, click on app settings, and then just go ahead and wait for it. Okay, scroll down, click on terminate, and then click on repair. Wait for the process to finish. And then after that, just go ahead and launch Xbox and check if it helps. If that doesn't work, click on terminate once more, and then now click on reset. Okay, wait for it, and then after that, go ahead and find Xbox, and then this time run it as an administrator. And if that still won't work, well, go ahead over to your search bar, find CMD, click on run as administrator, click on yes, as there will be a pop-up, type in ipconfig space /flush DNS, hit on enter, ipconfig space /release, hit on enter, ipconfig space /renew, hit on enter. Now type down netsh space winsock space reset, hit on enter. Then lastly, netsh space int space ip space reset, hit on enter. And then after that, do not forget to restart your computer. And once that's done, you're good to go. That is how you fix the error code 0x89235107 in Windows. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.